In the battle of Madhukaita, which is the first adhyay, first charitra in Durga Shapshati. In the battle of Madhukaita, Vishnu adored the goddess Durga when the life of Brahma was in danger. Thereafter, O sage, in the earlier times, in the battle with terrific demon Tripurasura, Lord Shiva adored Durga. So Shiva also adored Durga with the same stotra. Also, fifth time, there was the battle of Vritasur, which is mentioned in great detail. Vritasur, very beautiful, he's even though he was from the demon family, but he was a bhakta. And his prayers are so beautiful, just 4 lines of Vritasur prayer, so beautiful, so beautiful. It is mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. So he says, during the battle with Vedasura, Indra adored the goddess Durga when he was facing a great danger. And at that point of time, all the sages, Manus, kings, Surat, and humans adored the goddess. Thus, in all the kalpas, the great goddess was adored by the gods. Shrutam stotram cha shruyatam brahman sarva vigna vinashakam sukhadam mokshadam saram bhavasantar karanam. O Brahman, O Narad, I am going to recite to you the stotra which results in the destruction of all the problems of life, which will provide pleasure, material prosperity, and welfare, and which will serve as a mean to cross the ocean of universe. And what is that prayer? Now the prayer starts with, listen all the Shaktas. Krishna is speaking again. Shri Krishna Uvacha. So now I think you will feel better. That why did you say only Durga is calling Krishna Krishna? No, Krishna is speaking now. Krishna is adoring Durga. And how is he adoring Durga? Krishna is adoring Durga. This adoration, this worship happened in Golok. And what did he say? Tvameva sarvajanani mula prakritishwari tvamevadya shrishti vidhau swechaya trigunaत्मिका कार्यार्थे सगुणा त्वं च वस्तुतो निर्गुणा स्वयं परब्रह्म स्वरूपा त्वं सत्या नित्या सनातनी तेजस्वरूपा परमा भक्तानुग्रह विग्रहा सर्वस्वरूपा सर्वेशा सर्वधारा परात्परा सर्वबीज स्वरूपा च सर्वपूज्या निराश्रया सर्वज्ञा सर्वतो भद्रा सर्वमंगल मंगला. He says, Sri Krishna says, just imagine, it's Golok, all the Sakhis, Manjaris, Sacharis are there, all the devotees are there, and Mother Durga is sitting there. He has offered, of course, they are the king and the queens of these areas. So he has offered a nice seat, and out of love, he's adoring. He's adoring. The adoration comes out, and Shri Krishna is saying, you, O Durga, are the mother of all. You are Mool Prakriti. You are the supreme controller Ishwari. You are the eternal goddess of the universe. And you can take any form at your will. Why do you take form? Karyarthe saguna, to accomplish different work. When the Devatas are in trouble, when the Bhaktas are in trouble, to help your devotees, to liberate them, to remove their obstacles, to bless them. You take a form, even though you don't have to take a form. You still take a form. You are the Parabrahma. You are eternal Brahman, truthful, everlasting. You are Satya. You are the ultimate absolute truth. You are Nitya. You are forever eternal. You are Sanatani. Tejas Swarupa Parama. You are full of luster. Your form is full of luster. Tejas Swarupa. Bhaktanugraha Vigraha. And your form is Bhaktanugraha. You're always ready to shower your grace, to shower your love, to shower your compassion, to shower your mercy on your bhaktas, on your devotees. You, Sarvaswarupa Sarvesha, you are pervading in every form. Sarvesha, in every direction. Sarvadhara, you are the foundation of everything. Paratpara, you are beyond para and apara. That which is seen and that which is unseen, you are beyond all of that. Sarva Bija Sarupa, you are the seed of everything. Chasarva Pujya Nirashraya, you are adored and worshipped by everybody. Nirashraya, you don't need any foundation, you are the Acharya for everybody. Sarvagya, you know everything. Sarvato Bhadra, you are the most auspicious. Sarva Mangal Mangala, you do all the good things. You are the reason for all the good things happening in the devotees' lives. Sarva, you provide prosperity to everyone. Sarva Mangal Mangala. You are the welfare of all the welfares. Sarva Buddhi Swarupacha, Sarva Shakti Swarupini. You are Buddhi in everybody. You are the energy, the Shakti of everyone. You are the giver of knowledge, Sarva Jnana Prada Devi, Sarvagya, and you are knower of everything, Sarva Bhavani. You are the one who very happily accepts the bhavanas of your devotees, the feelings of your devotees. त्वं स्वाहा देवदेव दाने च पितृदाने स्वधा स्वयं दक्षिणा सर्वदाने च सर्वशक्ति स्वरूपिणी निद्रा त्वं च दया त्वं च तृष्णा त्वं चात्मन प्रिय च्युत शांति शांतिरीशा च कांति सृष्टि स्तुति तुष्टिश्च शाश्वती श्रद्धा पुष्टिश्च तंद्रा च लज्जा शोभा दया तथा सतां संपत् स्वरूपा श्री विपत्तिर सतामिह यू आर द स्वाहा मंत्र by which we give oblations to the gods. You are the Swadha mantra by which we give oblations to the pitras, to the ancestors. And when dakshina is given in charities, the charity, you are the dakshina. And you are the strength of all. You represent sleep, love, satisfaction of hunger, worry, and you are always peaceful. You are faith, development, drowsiness, shyness, glory, and you are the Shri, Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni. You are the Shri, the wealth, the prosperity of all noble people. And for wicked people, you are their misery. Preeti Rupa Punyavatam Papinam Kalahankara Shashvat Karma Mahi Shakti Sarvada Sarva Jivinam Devebhya Swapado Dhatri Dhatur Dhatri Kripamayi Hitaya Sarva Devanam Sarva Sura Vinashini. Krishna says, O Durge, you are the love for the noble people and the quarrelsome for the sinner. You happen to be the goddess of action, Kriya Shakti, for all the creatures. You are the one who grants noble positions even to the gods all the way up till Brahma. And you are the destroyer of evil tendencies, the evils, the wrongdoers. You slay them all. You are the demon slayer. Yoga Nidra Yoga Rupa Yoga Datri Cha Yoginam Siddhi Swarupa Siddhanam Siddhida Siddha Yogini Maheshwari Cha Brahmani Vishnu Maya Cha Vaishnavi Bhadra Bhadra Kali Cha Sarvaloka Bhayankari Grame Grame Grama Devi Griha Devi Grihe Grihe Satam Kirtim Pratishtha Cha Ninda Tvam Sata Tvam Satam Sada. O Devi, O Durge, you are Yoga Nidra for the ascetics. The yogic practices, you are yoga of the ascetics. You are bestower of success and grand success to Siddhas besides Siddha Yogini. You are the Siddha Yogini. You are Brahmani, Maheshwari, Vishnu Maya, Vaishnavi. You are the bestower of prosperity. You are Bhadrakali and a terror for all the villages, the household goddess. You are O Devi, Sarvaloka Bhayankari. When people are frightened, you are the one, you know. Grame, grame, grama Devi, Griha Devi, Grihe, Grihe. O Divine Mother, O Durge, you are the Devi, the Kul Devi, whatever, in different villages, whatever forms people are worshipping, you are the one. In every village, in every city, in every town, wherever there is a temple of Durga Devi, you are the one. And not only that, Griha Devi, Grihe, Grihe. In every home where Durga Devi is worshipped, you are the one. The one sitting in Goloka. So Krishna is adoring in Goloka and he's saying, you go down all the way to each and everybody's home where you are being worshipped. Satam Kirti Pratishtacha. You are the prosperity, fame of all the devotees. And when the non-devotees, you are uh, you are denouncement for the wicked people. महायुद्धे महामारी दुष्ट संहार रूपिणी रक्षा स्वरूपा शिष्टानां मातेव हितकारिणी वन्द्या पूज्या सुता त्वं च ब्रह्मादीनां च सर्वदा ब्रह्मण्य रूपां विप्राणां तपस्या च तपस्विनां विद्या विद्यावतां त्वं च बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतां सतां मेधा स्मृति स्वरूपा च प्रतिभा प्रतिभावताम्. O Durge, you are prevailing death during the time of the war. You destroy the wicked people and you protect the noble ones like a mother. Mateva hitkarani. Like a mother, you protect your devotees and the noble people, noble ones. You are adored by Brahma, by all the gods. You are the Brahmanhood of Brahmanas, tapas of the sages. You are the intelligence of intelligent people, wisdom of the wise, glory of the noble people, and memory and virtues of the influential people. राज्ञां प्रतापरूपा च विशां वाणिज्यरूपिणी शिष्टो शिष्टि स्वरूपा त्वं रक्षारूपा च पालने तथान्ते त्वं महामारी विश्वे विश्वैश्च पूजिते कालरात्रि महारात्रि मोहरात्रिश्च मोहिनी. O Devi, O Durge, you are the glory of the kings, business of the business people. Creation is because of you, protection is because of you, dissolution is because of you. You are adored by all the people in all the universes. You are Kalaratri. You are Maharatri, Moharatri, and you are the Mohini. Meaning, Mohini is a Vishnu avatar. Now, here Krishna is saying, I became Mohini, but my Mohini is you. In Mohini avatar, he attracted the mind of Shiva. Shiva's mind is not easy to attract, okay? He destroyed Kamdev. But Shiva got attracted by the Mohini avatar of Vishnu. Because in Tripura Rahasya, the Rahasya is given, the secret is given, both brother and sister decided. And that Mohini, that energy that came, was from her only, Tripura only. And that's why Shiva got perturbed. So now here in this stuti, he is saying, you are Mohini. People think I was Mohini. Mm-mm. You my sister, you my Durga, you are the Mohini. And then now out of love he says, Drutya me Maya. Now he says, my Maya. You are my Maya. Krishna is saying, Drutyaya me Maya, Tvam yaya samohitam jagat, yaya mugdo hi vidvansha, moksha margam na pasyati. You are my great illusory energy. Very difficult to cross your energy. You have put everyone into illusion. And that's why even the so-called knowledgeable people who know the entire Vedas and Puranas and textbooks, they know everything. Yet they are deluded. They are not able to find moksha. How will they? Because your illusory energy is so strong. Iyat ityatmana kritam stotram durgaya durganashanam puja kale patodyo hi siddhir bhavati vanchita. Now Lord Narayana says, I have told you this stotra. What are the benefits of this stotra? He says, one who recites this stotra, all the miseries of his life will be destroyed and they will achieve success. And then he goes on further saying, Vandhyacha kakavandhyacha mritvatsa durbaga shutvat stotram varsham suputram labate dhruve. This one prayoga. He's telling that if any lady who is not able to become pregnant, they have pregnancy issues, or sometimes they become pregnant but very, within first few months they have miscarriages, or sometimes child is born and right after birth they die. So if somebody is suffering with this multiple miscarriages, abortions and child death in their homes, or they are not able to become pregnant, they should say this stotra for at least 1 year, and then they will definitely see benefit. Then he says anybody who's in prison or being in some court cases, they can also pray to Durga with this stotra, and they will be freed from all these problems if they recite this stotra. And then he goes on saying more benefits. If somebody is suffering from high fever or any kind of disease, they can do this stotra and they will be highly benefited. If somebody is being tortured in their family, sometimes there are family clashes also. The family members were very good with each other, and suddenly there's a big clash and people are fighting amongst each other, and you think, what just happened to my family? Everybody was going right, the son is not listening, husband and wife are fighting unnecessary. So when there are clashes like this in home, at that time also you can do this prayer and you will definitely see results. This is what Lord Narayana has said.